I find it hard to wake up early. I find it hard to wake up early. I find it easy to talk with her. I find it easy to talk with her. I find it difficult to concentrate here. I find it difficult to concentrate here. I find it confusing to follow the rules. I find it confusing to follow the rules. I find it boring to wait too long. I find it boring to wait too long. I find it stressful to rush in the morning. I find it stressful to rush in the morning. I'm worried about the exam. I'm worried about the exam. I'm worried about being late. I'm worried about being late. I'm worried about losing my job. I'm worried about losing my job. I'm worried about the weather tomorrow. I'm worried about the weather tomorrow. I'm worried about my presentation. I'm worried about my presentation. I'm worried about forgetting the details. I'm worried about forgetting the details. I'm responsible for training new staff. I'm responsible for training new staff. I'm responsible for cleaning the office. I'm responsible for cleaning the office. I'm responsible for answering emails. I'm responsible for answering emails. I'm responsible for checking the reports. I'm responsible for checking the reports. I'm responsible for updating the files. I'm responsible for updating the files. I'm responsible for organizing the meeting. I'm responsible for organizing the meeting.